A recent lawsuit says a school system in Van Buren County and its staffing agency violated federal law by not paying an employee overtime.
Marisa Oberle spoke with the attorney behind the suit. She joins us live tonight in the studio to explain why he thinks the issue could impact more districts in West Michigan. Marisa.
Josh and Jamie, that attorney estimates his client and other workers lost thousands of dollars due to this, an amount that could make a huge difference in their everyday lives.
No one should do a job for free.
It's important for people to be paid for the work they do and to be paid in accordance with the law.
Rob Howard, an attorney at Cunningham Dahlman, says his client, Amanda Gonzalez, believes in that so much that she filed a lawsuit against Bloomingdale Public Schools and EduStaff last month.
Let's say she worked 40 hours in the kitchen and 30 hours as a custodian that week. She was not getting paid any overtime.
He explains through the Grand Rapids-based employment agency, Gonzalez works in the kitchen and as a custodian at the district's high school. Howard says she never encountered any issues until this past April when EduStaff told BPS it incorrectly interpreted labor laws for employees in combined roles. According to him, under the Fair Labor Standards Act, employers must pay overtime if someone works more than 40 hours a week. However, the district and agency instead separated Gonzalez's two jobs. For example, one of her pay stubs from the month before the discovery shows she clocked 2.5 extra hours, only to receive the regular rate.
You're performing work for one employer. If I was working in a fast food restaurant and I was the cashier, and then on Saturday I was assigned to clean, if I work over 40 hours, I should get overtime regardless of what my duties may be.
The lawsuit says Bloomingdale agreed to correct the problem in the future, but did not address any back pay for impacted employees. Howard notes under the law, they can recover up to 3 years of overtime wages and thinks the amount owed to Gonzalez totals around $5,000.
That's an amount that, can cover your house payment for a few months. That can allow you to catch up on some bills.
He worries for those elsewhere, though.
Email that we saw from EduStaff to the Bloomingdale Public Schools made it appear that this may have been a corporate policy of EduStaff's that may affect employees in other districts who are also performing these dual roles for a single employer. And they're in numerous districts across the state. They're in 10 other states, so we just don't know how wide this problem could be. And that's something we hope to find out during discovery.
According to its website, EduStaff serves over 550 public school districts nationwide. A spokesperson for the agency declined to comment, as did BPS. Howard says people deserve their pay.
2 other Bloomingdale employees signed on to the lawsuit this week. In Michigan, anyone with a wage issue like this may also file a complaint with the state's Department of Labor and Economic Opportunity. You can find a link to that form on our website at fox17online.com. Reporting in the studio, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.